Welcome back, everyone. This is GPT version 5, GPT-5. And this just came out today. And what I want to do is I want to put those evaluating functions, to evaluate the functions that I've done with the local LLM, which is from ChatGPT, their open weight LLM, open weights LLM, and I did it by hand. Now we're going to evaluate these functions in ChatGPT. It's going to give us the correct answer most likely, but I'm interested in what it's going to type. So let's find out. So let's evaluate the function f of x equals 3x plus 4 when x is equal to -2, 0, and 1. This time I'm going to say, show me the steps. Show me the steps to find the answer. And there he goes. All right, let's see what happens. Thinking longer for a better response, evaluating the function. I can always click on get a quick answer, but I'm not. Thoughts for 8. Okay, x is equal to -2. So you pop in -2. That's going to give you 3 times -2 plus 4. Multiply, I guess 3 times -2. Gives you 6. -6 plus 4 gives you -2. X, you plug in x to 0, and it gives you 4. And then you plug in x equals 1, and then it gives you 7. Okay. Now, I didn't do this on the last one because it didn't come out very well, but draw the function with the 3 points given. Okay. So most likely, I didn't say to use a tool or to use Python, but it did it anyway. Very nice. Look at that. Now this you won't be able to do in a local LLM because it doesn't have, well, mine doesn't have an ability to use a tool like Python and then display it back here. But as you can see, the 3 points are there are linear. It doesn't give you anything else but the points and the line. Okay, let's do the next one. Evaluate f of x equals x squared. Right, we use the caret. You can put a space, 2x, and then you can do a space if you want, -3. And you don't need the space. I'm going to do it anyway. And then I'm going to say when x is equal to -1, 0, 2. Show me how you find the answer. Or answers, right? Okay. Let's see. Wow, that was fast. No, I just rewrote the first part. You can click here to get a quick response, but no, I'm going to let it think. It took 10 seconds, so I think I know what this is. Thought for 8 seconds, thought for 10. Here's the function written out nicely. You pop in -1, and it gives you -1 squared plus 2 times -1 minus 3. Then it computes it to -4, which is right. You pop in 0, gives you -3. Pop in x equals 2, right? And it should give you what? 5. So we're going to do this again, okay? And we can't do this on the local models, but what I want to do is something like evaluate x squared plus 2x minus 3 when x is equal to negative 1, 0, 2. Use Python to find answers. Okay, so it's analyzing and using Python. The results are 5. Okay, it only did one of them. That's strange. Why would it do only one? And I said answers too. You click here and it shows you the analysis of a Python. Okay, well, a little glitch there. Last one. Evaluate, right, parentheses, x squared minus 1, close parentheses, divide, and then you can put parentheses, 4x, right, minus 2, right, 2. I like to put the space. And then close parentheses, caret, parentheses 1/2. So that's a square root right there. Parentheses to the power of 1/2. That's the square root. When, right, x, right, is equal to 3 over 4, comma, 3. Show work. Okay. All right. Wow, that was fast. So it wrote the problem right. X squared minus 1 divided by the square root of 4x, take away 2. For x is equal to 3 over 4 and x equals 3. When you pop in 3 over 4, you get negative 7 over 16. Looks like you pop in 3 over 4, it gives you 9 over 16, just like I did in the video. Subtract 1, 16 over 16, that's nice. Show work seems to be a good key word. Better than this here, or this. I did say show me the steps. I'm going to copy this again. I'm going to say show work. But let's finish this one. When x is equal to 3, you pop in 3. You get 8. Then you get the square root of 10. Then you rationalize the, look at this one. It did not, let me see. You pop in 3. You get 8 over the square root of 10. Let's see. Do you want me to rationalize the denominator? Well, that's interesting, isn't it? Yes. And so it does. You multiply the square root of 10 over the square root of 10, and it gives you 4 over 5 square root of 10. That's interesting, isn't it? Exactly what I did. Well, I didn't do this piece. Yes, I did do this piece, but I did not reduce in my video. Now, we're going to say evaluate the function when x is equal to negative 2, this linear function. And I'm just going to say show work. Let's see if it does it differently. It's thinking. And that's basically the same. Okay. Very interesting, isn't it? But these are pretty straightforward functions that GPT couldn't do maybe like 2 years ago. Could have done some of it, but I think what's going on with some of these, it's using the Python tool to get some of these answers. But these are very, very, very nice answers and very, very straightforward. So if you have GPT-5, they're giving everybody free access to it. What I heard, it was 30 requests, And they're also going to give you the ability to speak to it as well. And so that's going to be something that's very interesting, and we'll probably do in our next video. I hope you have a great semester. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this. Please subscribe. Please tell your friends. There's a lot more in this channel. All right, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.